Faces is an excellent movie. It's about a murder mystery. It's Mrs. Oswald who had, she was at loggerheads with her hubby, and she wanted him to pass away. She wanted him to be killed because of his property. So she employed Imran Hashmi, who fell in love with her, just presuming that she is also madly in love with him, but she just used him for the killing thing. And they planned the murder, and he was finally killed. And he got scot free. He was not arrested. But there was a team who was investigating, who used to investigate the murder cases. It was Anu Kapoor, then Big B, and it was that Mr. This a few other characters were there, and there was a girl who was actually raped, and she was abused by few hooligans, because of which she had to be in a psychiatric ward for a long time. But she finally recovered, and she started working for them. She used to prepare like a housemaid, you can say. So it was a team of 4-5 members, and it happened. Mungeri Lal, yeah, Mungeri Lal Kehsil, that fellow, and it happened that he came to join them, and he had to disclose the secret, unearth the secret. In conversation it happened, it was slip of tongue, and then he had to be finally hanged till death. But destiny had its call before he could actually get hanged. There was a landslide, huge landslide, because of which his legs, he just slipped, and before Big B could warn him, he was in the deep, you can say, it was a deep hollow valley which engulfed him totally, and he died. And then the best part was that Mrs. Oswald, pretending that nothing had happened, she had come to their abode, humble abode, and she was there at the door. She knocked the door, and then she said that I am in search of this fellow, and Mr. Oswald has passed away. He was ailing, he had a heart attack, because of which I am like very despondent. And she cooked up stories, and they knew that she is also one of the culprit. So she was not allowed to go back, because they wanted the same kind of treatment to her. Like they wanted her to be with them, so that she will also utter words which will prove that she is also a criminal, partner in crime. And there was a foreigner with whom she was going around, because of which she wanted to actually elope with the property and get her husband killed. It's a real good movie. And few of the sayings, proverbs or idioms, whatever they have quoted, it's really, you can watch over and over again. 5 stars.